It's time to explore with the July Club Couture transfer, so let's get talking. Okay, so for this month's Club Couture transfer, I grabbed one of my chalkboards. You can see here I still have my Easter transfer on here, so I'm gonna give that a quick spritz with some water, and while that's sitting for a few minutes, I'm gonna grab my chalk paste. I grabbed Peony and Wild Lime, love that color. I'm just gonna give them a quick stir, make sure I don't need to add any water, and then I'm gonna grab my scraper and I'm going to scrape off some of that chalk paste. And then you'll see here in a second, I'm going to grab my board eraser just to grab or to extra shadowing that's on my chalkboard. These board erasers are wonderful for that. I just love them. So I always have these on hand. So once I do that and my chalkboard is dry, I'm going to grab my transfer, and my fuzzing cloth is in the wash. So I'm just going to grab a towel so that I can fuzz my transfer real quick, because this is a brand new transfer. So I want to add a little fuzz so it's not quite as sticky. And then I'm going to put that on my chalkboard, and I'm going to kind of do like an ombre effect. I'm going to do the wild lime. Oops, got a little air bubble there. I'm going to do the wild lime on the bottom and the top, and then I'm going to do the peony in the middle, and then I'm going to kind of blend those two colors together. I love using this transfer. I love this transfer. Even if you haven't traveled to any of these places, it's fun to just kind of, put your daydreaming hat on and think about all the places that you'd like to explore and travel. So once I do that, I'm just going to kind of rub that paste together to blend it a little bit with my finger, and then I'm going to pull it off, and it looks so nice. I love it. Quick and easy project. Love those. So if you'd like to see more videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.